Hello loves, look what came in the mail today. I got a scrapbooking.com order. Come join me and check it out. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Unique Makes by Christina, and today I have a scrapbooking.com haul to share with you. It's small, but I still have a lot of nice goodies, so let's get into this. So the first thing I want to share with you is this little bundle of joy. It is the birthday party bundle, and I believe it was $16.99. I will put the price in the description and actually the video. And it came with the little paper pad. It came with 2 dies. The paper pad has 40 sheets and its primary colors. Like that, and you get 5 sheets each. And it's 230 GSM. Actually, that's actually pretty good. Like that. And it's a smooth cardstock. That's actually real nice. And for the first shape dies, it's a birthday theme, like I said. You do get a tassel die, and you do get the birthday letters, which goes in little circles, and it looks like that. Look how nice is that. And then this ones are almost like a little rosettes, and you get 4. You get 4 different sizes, and they look like this one. And this is actually a pretty heavy, weight to it. All these are called party fans, and that's 4. And this one's actually called birthday tassel banners, and you get 5 pieces. So this one was a bundle. I'm not sure they still have it as a bundle on their site, but that's what this one was called. So I got that one. The next thing I have is the Wow embossing powder, and it's just the regular white, which I needed. Got that one also. We got the white one. And then the next thing I have is from the Wow brand also, is the 3-pack. And this is almost like a pastel color. So you got the green and the light green, and it looks like the pink and like a purple. I mean, pink and like a bluish color. And a light pink and like a mint, I think. I'll have a image in the video. But look how pretty that is. I got it because it was like little springy colors. I got that. And this was on, I believe it was on sale. I think it was on sale, I'm not sure, but got that. And I'll have all the links to the products in the video, in the description. And then the next thing I have is the Magic Mat. And this was on sale, which I bought one. I hauled one in my last scrapbooking.com. This is a magnetic mat. So when you put your dies on there, it will stick on there, so you don't have to tape it. But I have this one for my little mini die cutting machine. So I got a second one. And they do have different sizes, so if you have different type of machine, they might have one that goes with your machine. So do check them out. So I thought this was pretty cool. So I got a second one, so now I have 2 for my small one. Now this is what I ordered, and let me show you what I got for free. And I think the stuff that I got for free is actually pretty awesome. So let me show you that. So the first thing I want to show you is a thin lid, and I thought this was really cute. This is a teacup with flowers from Sizzix. Look at that. And you know, the thin lids they cost some money, so you do get a nice little die. And this was free, like I said. Look at that. So I got this one. How cute is that? I got that one. And then the next thing I have is that Astro Paste. Now, what I think is pretty cool with this is that if you're someone that never tried this, like me, and you're curious, you just got a free sample. And instead of spending your money to try it out, now you could actually try it out, and if you like it, now you could go ahead and buy it, right? So yeah, and I do love the color. It's a blue one. So yeah, so this was free. I don't know if it's still free, but now I got a free one. And then the best one is the Magic Mat. Now this one is not magnetic. This is just a regular one, but it still does the job as this. It just is not magnetic. And it's pink, so I had to have it. I did order in Christmas, they had a red one. So I did order that one for my Big Shot. But I wanted the pink one, so I got that one for this. Okay, so it's the same thing, just pink. So now I have 2 of those, and I got 2 of those for this one. The pink is just in this size, and it was for free. And like I said, yeah, check out scrapbooking.com. They actually have some good deals. Every week they have a different deal. It looks like sometimes when they have a live, they usually have a new deal. So just subscribe to their YouTube channel, and then you know when they have a deal, or subscribe to their email and you know when they have a deal. So I recommend you do that to keep up to date. But yeah, so make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what's your favorite one, or what have you tried and you like, because there's so much out there to keep track. I miss things, so I do love hearing from my subscribers and letting me know what products you like and what ones you don't, because hey, I might not know what's out there. So yeah, do let me know. Do leave a like, subscribe, and do share the video, because like I said, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and hit the notification so you know when I do upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.